Want huge, healthy vegetables like these? The secret is powerful homemade compost. This nutrient-packed compost is made from cow manure, duck manure, carbonized rice husk, liquid fertilizer, and agricultural lime. Simple, organic, and perfect for explosive plant growth. Want to see the full process? Watch now and grow like a pro. To make the best organic compost, I collect fresh cow and duck manure from a nearby village, about 4 to 5 kilometers from my home. This ensures I get high-quality, natural materials for my compost. Cow manure is rich in nitrogen and helps plants grow strong, while duck manure adds even more nutrients for faster, healthier growth. I use a plastic basket with small holes to sift the duck manure first, removing debris and keeping only the fine, compostable material. Since duck manure can be clumpy, I use a wooden mallet to break it into small pieces, making it easier to sift and compost. Just like with the duck manure, I use my sifting basket to separate fine particles, ensuring only the best organic material goes into my compost. Now that I have both duck and cow manure, it's time to mix them into my compost for stronger, healthier plants. I use 2 parts cow manure. Cow manure is an excellent source of nitrogen, which speeds up decomposition and feeds your plants. 2 parts duck manure. Duck manure is rich in nutrients and helps boost microbial activity in the compost. And 2 parts carbonized rice husk. This helps with aeration and water retention, making the compost light and fluffy. To boost soil health, I add 1 kilogram of agricultural lime. Agricultural lime helps balance acidity and prevents bad odors in your compost. Now let's mix everything thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Once everything is well mixed, I add 500 ml of liquid fertilizer mixed with 10 liters of water to enhance microbial activity and speed up decomposition. Check the link in the description for more details. Now, mix everything thoroughly to ensure all materials break down evenly. This helps speed up decomposition. After mixing thoroughly, I squeeze the mixture tightly with my hand. If it doesn't separate and holds together, it's the perfect consistency for storing. But if the mixture doesn't hold together, I add a little more liquid fertilizer mix to adjust the consistency until it's just right. Maintaining the right moisture is key for composting. The mixture should be around 40 to 60% moisture. I check by squeezing it. If a few drops of water come out, it's perfect. If it's too wet or dry, I adjust by adding dry materials or more water. Now I store the compost in a 50 centimeter by 50 centimeter container with many holes in the bottom to ensure good airflow and drainage. This helps the compost breathe and encourages healthy microbial activity. I cover it with a net and rain protection and let nature do its magic. In no time, this compost will be ready to grow healthy, thriving plants. I keep my compost bin outside my house with a roof covering it to protect it from rain, ensuring the compost stays dry and sheltered while benefiting from good airflow and ventilation. After 7 days, the compost should heat up due to microbial breakdown. The temperature can reach between 120 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 to 71 degrees Celsius, indicating the decomposition process is underway. I mix the compost every 7 days to help cool it down and ensure the microbes stay healthy. Regular mixing also helps maintain the right temperature for optimal composting. Remember to repeat mixing the compost every 7 days to help cool it down and ensure the microbes stay healthy. After 30 days, the compost is ready to use. By this time, it should be fully decomposed, nutrient-rich, and perfect for your garden. If needed, you can adjust the moisture or consistency before applying it. Benefits of this compost: 1. Nutrient-rich, provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium for healthy plant growth. 2. Improves soil, enhances soil texture, drainage, and water retention. 3. Supports microbes, boosts beneficial soil microbes for healthier plants. 4. Natural pest control, helps suppress soil-borne diseases and pests. 5. Eco-friendly, made from organic waste, it's a sustainable alternative to chemical fertilizers. Wow! Look at this perfect compost. It's rich, dark, and crumbly, meaning it's fully decomposed and ready to use in the garden. Thanks for watching. God bless you.